Hello, everyone. Welcome to our first episode. I am really excited to get this podcast going. My name is Kellen Cavanero, and I am a biomedical researcher. I spent the last 5 years studying a cell type called Group 2 innate lymphoid cells, which are a rare lymphocyte population that contribute to allergic responses, among other things. I have recently started my PhD at UCSD, and I am interested in the microbiome and host microbe interactions. You may be wondering, what is this podcast all about? I want this podcast to be something for everyone, scientist and lay person alike. This is going to be a way to communicate science. In terms of format, I plan for this to be a journal club, which for those who are not involved in science is a meeting where scientists get together and discuss the literature. Additionally, I like to do deep dives into various subjects, such as the role of ILC2s in allergic airway disease. Other things that we might touch on in this podcast are quick reviews of recent literature, just highlights. And lastly, interviews with scientists who are in the top of their respective fields. Being at UCSD, I have unique access to some really, truly great scientists. So why make a podcast? First, I absolutely love podcasts. Everyone who knows me knows I devour them. And I'm always trying to figure out ways to improve as a scientist and improve my reach, which right now is confined to what I publish in the scientific literature and what I'm able to convey at a cocktail party. It is becoming increasingly apparent how broad the reach of this medium truly is. So I am doing this to share science. Hopefully, I can impact some people and teach them how this stuff works. Also, maybe someone can learn from my experiences going through a PhD program. Even if no one listens to this, I believe this will be an excellent opportunity for me to grow and develop as a scientist and a communicator. Lastly, it should be a lot of fun. Thank you all for joining me, and I am really excited to get this podcast going. Let's learn some science.